Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login It. In this video, I will guide you how to redeem promo code in Uber app. So this is a very simple process. If you follow these steps, you'll be able to do it very easily. So first of all, open the Uber app. Now, after the Uber app is opened, you can see four options at the bottom: Home, Services, Activity, and Account. You have to tap on Account. It looks like a little person, and your account will be opened. You can see your name over here, and at the bottom of your name you can see three options: Help, Payment, and Activity. You have to tap on Payment. Now you can see here your wallet is opened. If you scroll down, you can see many options: Write Profiles, Vouchers, and Promotions. Now what you have to do is look at the Promotions option. You will see Add Promo Code option. Tap on the Add Promo Code. Now you have to enter your promo code over here. You can see here I'm entering a promo code. And after you enter the promo code, the add button will be activated. All you have to do is tap on it and your promo code will be redeemed. And that's how you redeem promo code in Uber app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel and hit that notification icon to get notified every time we upload videos.